Since I'm quite new to Inventor, I'm documenting the steps. How to create a new project environment. You go to New, go to Projects, create a new project, single project. I will name this project as project name 06, browse. Okay, next, finish. Here is a project 6, done. Okay, select the project 6, go to ENUS, standard IPT, create. Now this is a new project environment, but how can you confirm if it's the new environment? Just go to File, Save As. You will notice that you have directly been redirected to the project 6 folder, and you can save your part as it is. Save it, and yeah, you're done. So that's it.